up, squad? It's been a minute. But we back up in it. And it's Riding with Lee. Yeah! We're going to go meet up with Matt right now. Going to his house. Meet up with him. And we're going to go meet up with the rest of the squad as soon as we get some info on where they at and when they're going to be out. Which everybody should be out right now because of the sun. And if the sun's out, then we're out. Not really. We don't come out till nighttime, really. But we're going to ride today. Like today. Daylight day. Yeah.
Glad you went back all black and gray with it.
Yeah?
I like it. It looks good.
It's dirty.
You should paint it gloss black.
Yeah, that'd be...
No, because Trenton has gloss black.
Yeah. The gloss black will look nice too, though.
It matches the gray, though. Yeah, it does.
This is like a half-ass gloss black. Ah!
He's got that Honda, pretty cool. That one.
RC1?
That 1000.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. He cranked it up for us the other day.
A bit's loud, huh?
It sounds like a Harley. You heard me?
A bit's loud.
Really can't either.
Huh? Why me?
I can ride with Matt then. I ain't gotta ride with y'all motherfuckers. Yeah, right. So I never was that tall, so it wouldn't even matter. We gotta get these little toys from.
Toys R Us. Nah.
Got his camera on.
Yeah, you on camera too. Say hi to YouTube.
Ooh. But let me get on the bed.
Hop on, skirt skirt. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Boy. Grom squad in this dude. We're headed to the sketchy lot. Headed to the sketchy lot. Sketchy lot. Whoa. And then the cops right there.
Act like you're pulling up here on purpose.
I tell you what, it's getting chilly though. It's really getting chilly. That weather dropped like crazy. What is this? What's this dude doing, bro? What are you doing? Huh? I'm talking to you. Yeah. What up? Oh, stupid FedEx. Fat ass. Pause this. Where's the arrow? Comment down below if you can find the arrow. I know this ain't the lot. I know they joking. Ain't nothing sketchy. I thought this thing was gonna be in the hood, man. This ain't even the hood. This ain't even the hood, man. I thought we was going to the hood. Got some grass grass to play in. If somebody wants to play in some grass. Well, nobody wants to play in the grass.
You gotta hit him with the
Flex.
wake up.
Wake up! You don't wanna wake up! You don't wanna wake up! You want to! You don't wanna wake up! You want to! Ooh, stay in it! Look at Bobo. Damn! Hey, I mean he put the yeah with it. Bruh, is this a ramp? Yo, this is a full-blown ramp. Bruh! I'm telling you, that's a ramp.
Hey, that bitch about to fall down.
Right, we can Superman that hoe.
You said we taking the ramp?
I mean, I don't see why. Really out here and we really do this, and you know what it is. Hey, ow, got him. Drop down. Oh, what up, bro? You know what it be. You know what it bees. It is riding with Lee. It's riding with Lee. This is private. Ducked off. I need to use my foot brake. Oh, whoa, there's Willie's everywhere. Ha ha. Halt squad on it, halt squad on it. He did not like that. Oh man, he did not like that. Oh. Man. Give me your bike. Oh, I didn't know they had this. I didn't know they had this court here. gangster territory. We in the hood now. Yeah. He said turn around. He's the boonies back here. Man, you know they like Willie's in the hood though. Look at all these nice wheels. How you gonna tell me? Yeah. All these nice wheels in the hood. So that's where that goes. So I was wondering where this way went.
Hey, Charlie just called. He's at the mall. Y'all want to go get him?
I don't care.
Got nothing else to do.
Yeah.
Hey, Matt, what'd you say? Yeah, she had her phone out. She said she did this.
Did she? That's because I did it back. Whoa! Did you see that?
Everybody Hey, what'd you do? We are cutting up. Oh. That was a big bug. I don't know what a cop was, but he said it was a cop. He was smacking himself in the head. When you smack yourself in the head, that means there's a cop somewhere. Which also means don't do nothing stupid. Look at that little Miata with the hard top. That bike long. It's getting chilly. It's getting chilly and my buttocks hurts. Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up here. Ladies, yeah, let me start that over. We're gonna wrap it up here, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to go get some food at Sonic, and that's probably gonna call it a wrap, you know what I'm saying? If not, you'll see more. But yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe to the videos. They come in every week as much as possible. You know what it is. You know what it be. It's Riding with Lee. Peace out. Yeah. That's him. Okay, Pete. That's the introduction to Pete. Pete's now a member of the group. What up, bro? What's good, bro?